Roman, what are you doing in the dumpster, man?
Are they there?
What are you talking about? Get out of there, man.
I'm freaking out, man. I'm being followed. I saw them.
Don't be ridiculous. You're being paranoid.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Everything was fine, and then you show up, and now we're dead. Because Faustein is a psychopath. He's going to kill us. Because we killed Vlad. Vlad was his man. That's how it works. You kill their guy, they kill you!
Roman, get out of there, man. Listen to me. Vlad was a piece of trash. They don't care about him. All they care about is making money. So, we say we work for them. Now get out of there. You smell like cabbage.
I don't want to, man. I'm shitting myself. Oh!
Get out of the dumpster, Mr. Fatman. Come on, fatty. The boss wants a little chat.
Wake up! We had to gag him to stop the screaming. You shouldn't have brought them here, Andrei.
Why not? You've been a bad boy, Mr. Balkan. And the boss is not happy.
Oh no, I shit my pants.
Not yet, but you will. Who are you working for?
My cousin, Roman. Don't be an idiot.
That's not good enough. I'm gonna saw off your fucking arm. Speak!
Okay. Your dad likes it up the ass. What do you want me to say, huh? Ow!
Very funny. Do you think you're so smart?
No! I'm tied up in the basement a long way from home, while some ape threatens me with a hacksaw. So no, I'm not that smart.
Shut the fuck up! My fucking wife is watching television! Good Lord. What are you doing?
Nothing. I mean, I was finding out who he is.
And? Who is he?
He is his cousin.
You were about to cut up some guy in my house, making all that noise to find out he's his cousin. Where did you find this idiot?
He was a friend of your sergeant when we were in Vladivostok.
He's an imbecile. So, Niko Bellic, you think it's okay to kill my employees?
If he is an asshole, yes.
I agree. Asshole, look at me like I'm a piece of shit.
Боже мой.
Now listen, Niko Bellic. You are very lucky Vlad was an idiot. The only reason I keep him around is because I fucked his sister. Look at me. You owe me. I got some digheads in my neighborhood trying to run a shipment, yeah?
And we found a buyer for the TVs.
Yes, a buyer. But you got to get them for us so we can make the sale.
Can you untie Roman?
Хорошо.
Shut up, Roman. Roman, shut up!
Shut him up!
Shut up, Roman! Roman, shut up! Fuck!
Mikhail! Shut up!
Stop shooting people, you maniac!
My wife doesn't like when people shout!
Whatever! You better get those screens soon!
Or I will personally pull your cousin's stitches out, one by one, and watch his guts spill onto the floor. Clean this shit up.
Listen, we'll take care of your cousin, but you better get a police car. And then you call me.
Roman!
Go! I'll take care of him.
Fuck!
Hello, you're through to the Liberty City.
Hello, this is the LCPD. Where would you like us to send an officer?
Beach gate.
An LCPD peacekeeper.
I have the police car. What now?
The van is driving around South Broker. Pull it over, take it to our lockup on Duke's Drive.
Be more specific. How many vans you think there are in South Broker?
That is a problem for you. And your cousin. Not me. Keep pulling vans over until you find the TVs. Goodbye.
Get out with no funny business.
I don't want no trouble, buddy.
Open up the back. You got any flat screens?
Hey, you got bad information, brother.
Nishta, jebiga.
Wants an old queen like me. That's worth further analysis. But, oh, a donut.
Come out real slow, shithead.
Listen, I don't got insurance.
Show me the back. You carrying TVs?
No TVs, buddy.
Nishta, stranje.
Jesus, holy shit! We need a damn delivery service going to get here.
Do you see that? Would you please move?
Come out and don't try nothing.
I wouldn't do this. Kenny Petrovic is looking after this truck.
Show me you don't got any flat screens in the back.
This is a big screw-up. Wrong move, asshole!
Ah!